Introducing to you the 1996 Four Winds Sundowner 205 with a recently installed 5-liter engine in 2005. She has low hours and she's ready to take you out on the lakes or out on the ocean. You've got a reliable Tohatsu kicker, a large open cockpit for seating up to 6, walk-through windshield, and a cuddy cabin. Take your friends out on the bay, enjoy the day. Here's the smooth running 5-liter Mercury connected to the Bravo 3 leg with very low hours, installed in 2005. Included is this small cuddy cabin and all the upholstery for sleeping, and there's also the extra curtains for the wraparound in the cockpit, life jackets, and a few amenities including some safety items, a handheld radio, and a few extra things like that. A great little boat to take you out on the lakes and have some fun.